Welcome guys, Mr. Hyatt here. I'm not feeling well today. I'm going to use this video to help you figure out how to do the worksheet that we're starting today. I know the video is not the best in the world, but I hope that it will help you figure out how to use this soil triangle and then how to do the calculations that go into using the triangle. So what I'm going to do is use the sample question from your worksheet. So my percent sand is 75%, my percent silt is 10%, my percent clay is 15. So I'm going to use this triangle to figure out what type of soil that I have. And you see I've already included the answer here, it's sandy loam. So to figure out where that falls on the table, I'm going to take my 75% sand, notice it says percent sand down here, so I come over the 75, these lines go this way. Then I use my percent silt, which is 10%. That line goes this way, and then clay is 15%, and those lines go straight across. So again, that was 75, 10, and 15. So those three lines meet right here in this purple box. That's the sandy loam. If you use a ruler, I've got rulers out for you to use. If you use a ruler and lay them out, you can use multiple rulers if you need to. We have plenty. I think it'll be fairly easy and straightforward for you to figure out. So moving on to the next section, when we don't have all of the information provided, notice that it says here each row has to add up to 100. So 42%, 37%, it's 100% altogether, so it has to add up to 100. So 42 plus 37, you take 100 minus that, so 42 plus 37 would be 79, and 100 minus 79 is going to give me 21. My suggestion would be go through and do all the math at once, and then go through and do the soil triangle. If I do 52 plus 21, that's going to be 73. So that should give me 27, because again, I take 100 minus 73, and that gives me 27. C, I get 15. D, I get 6. And E, I get 10. So once I get the table completed, now I need to figure out the soil texture. To figure out the soil texture, I'm going to go back to the soil triangle, and I'll use the numbers. So I had 42%, and then I had 10%, so 42 is going here, 10's going there, and I also had 27, so that's going to be there. I'm intentionally being vague and not giving you any of the answers on the table, because that's where you're practicing to see if you've got it figured out. Now the sub and Mrs. McCormick or Mr. Reynolds, either one, they both have answer keys. So if you're curious if you're going in the right direction, ask them, and they can see if you're doing things the right way. Don't forget to do your pre-lab. We'll start the lab first thing tomorrow.